All right, guys, this is Mr. H again. I'm going to do these final few questions on here. Let me get my iPad up. Number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And again, I want to show you how you can easily answer these kind of questions. Now, the last few videos I did on the previous page, almost all of them involve graphing functions or graphing equations. Now, this one is different. And the reason it's different is these are all expressions. Number 12 has three expressions. Number 13 has expressions that we're trying to solve for. Number 14 has expressions. Number 15 has, well, it has an expression. And number 17 also gives us a function. So this one we should graph. But everything else, these first 12, 13, 14, 15, we don't need to graph because they're just asking for a degree. But whenever you have expressions, especially when you see the words like equivalent or product of or simplify, then you know that you can store a number. What number? Any number except for 0 or 1. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to easily answer these kinds of questions. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the calculate part and I'm going to store a number. Please never use 0 or 1. So it's going to be 1.25, and then I'm going to store that into the variable x. Boom. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to enter each one of these expressions exactly like I see them, and I'm going to see which one of these three are equivalent to each other. All right. Now, so let's go. So the very first one is going to be parentheses x to the third power. And then I'm going to put the parentheses and then I'm going to raise it to the third power again. So boom, my answer is about $7.45, all these decimals. Now, whatever I have in here, it has to match exactly. It can't be just close. It has to match exactly. So let me go to the second one. It's x to the fourth. Now, if you remember your exponent rules, that's wonderful. But if you don't remember your exponent rules, and I suspect that a lot of you have forgotten them, this is what you can do instead. So these two expressions are equivalent. These are the same thing. And the way I know that is because when I put in the input for both of these, I got the same output. So I know those two are equivalent. Now let's do the last one. It's going to be, it's going to be x to the 10th power times x to the -1 power. All right, now press enter, see what I get. So every one of these expressions is equivalent to each other. This is 3 times 3 gives us 9. This is 4 plus 5. Product means you add the exponents. This one, you're adding the exponents, so it's going to be 10 plus a -1, which is 9. So all of these are the same. So we go to this one, and we would circle choice 4. Boom, done. So when you're giving something, especially if you're giving expressions, doesn't matter if they give you exponents, doesn't matter if they give you just some polynomials. If you're looking for expressions, you should check it by storing a number. Don't use 0, don't use 1. All right, gonna stop, post it.